Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see one of the coding problem which is nothing but Armstrong number or not. Now observe the problem statement. You will be given a number and you need to check whether that given number is Armstrong number or not. We can say a number as an Armstrong number if the sum of the digits raised to the power of count of digits is equal to that number. Observe the test case and you will get the clarity. This is the test case 153. And what are the count of the digits? The count of the digits is 3, right? And what are the digits involved in it? 1, 5 and 3. Now you need to raise 1 to the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 3, and you need to sum all those values and check whether that sum equal to the given number or not. If the sum is equal to the given number, you can say that the number as an Armstrong number. Now let me show you how to do that. First, let me take the number n equal to 153, and in order to do that, we need to do two tasks. The first task is to count the number of digits, and the second task is to raise each digit to the power of that count, and you need to sum those values. First, we can find the count of digits by using this. Like, while the number is greater than 0, what you need to do? You need to take a digit, right? R equal to n modulo 10, and let me take the count value of 0 initially and count plus equal to 1, which means what? Count is incremented, right? Now as you can observe here, whenever we are extracting a digit, I am incrementing the count, which means what? By iterating over this loop, I can get the count of all the digits present in the number n. Similarly, once the count value is founded, now I need to raise each digit to the power of count, right? For that, I need to take one more loop while n greater than 0. What I need to do? First, I will take the digit, right? Digit equal to n mod 10, which means I will get the digit. And initially, I will take the sum value to 0. And what I will do? Sum equal to sum plus, and I need to raise, right? Power, which is what? The digit needs to be raised to the power of count. Fine. Which means what? For the first time, 3 will be raised to the power of 3. The next time 5 will be raised to the power of 3, and one more time 1 raised to the power of 3. Okay, and you need to prepare for the next iteration n equal to n by 10. Here also n equal to n by 10. Now by doing this, we can get the sum of the digits raised to that power. Okay, and you need to check whether this sum is equal to the actual number or not, right? Now let me show you how to do this programmatically. Observe here. First, this is the statement, right? This is the code, right? And int number I need to take, and let me take a temp and x value to hold the n value initially, the temp and x. Okay, fine. Now let me take the sum value is initialized to 0 and the count value is initialized to 0. Now the first task is what? The first task is count of digits, right? Count of digits is the first task. Now let me do that. How to do that? First I need to read the number, right? Printf, enter the number, right? Enter the number. This is the message, and what I need to do? This is the message, right? Just a minute. Let me remove this out and observe here. Scanf percentage %d, because it is of integer type, right? Percentage %d comma ampersand of n. Now I read the n value. Now what I need to do? I need to count the digits, right? While the number is greater than 0, what I'm going to do is, let me initialize one more variable called r. Okay. Now observe here, r equal to n mod 10, which means remainder. I extracted one digit. So what I need to do? I need to count, right? How can I count? Count plus equal to 1, which means you can write like this. Count equal to count plus 1. Count plus 1. And then n equal to n by 10. Right? By doing like this, we can get the count of the digits present in the given number. Later, what we need to do, once we get the count value, we need to find the sum of the digits raised to that power, right? For that, here you need to hold it in the temporary variables. For example, the temp equal to n and the x value equal to n only. Now observe what I need to do. While x is greater than 0, because n value will be modified in the above case, right? So in that case, I'm taking x value. Okay. While x is greater than 0, I'm taking the digit, right? So let me initialize a variable called digit. Fine. Now observe here. Digit equal to n mod x mod 10 means I got the digit. And what I need to do? Sum equal to sum plus. Observe here. Sum equal to sum plus what I need to do? Power of the digit need to be raised to the power of count, right? Count. Now observe here. And for next iteration, x equal to x by 10. By doing like this, we can find the sum of the digits, raise it to the power of their count. Okay. And then what I need to do here? This is related to counting the digits, and this is related to finding the sum of the digits raised to the power of count. Okay. Now what I need to do? I need to check, right? If the sum value equal to the temp means the given number, in that case I'm going to print the message printf the given number. Okay. What is the given number? The given number percentage d is Armstrong. Fine. Armstrong. I am writing message as Armstrong, and what is that number? The number is temp, right? Let me put a semicolon. And else case is nothing but the sum is not equal to the temp. In that case, what we need to do? This is not an Armstrong number, right? Let me copy and paste it here. The given number is not Armstrong. So far the code is clear, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm using a power function, right? For that, let me import a header hash include math.h. Okay. Now let me save this code and execute. Let me save this code and let me execute here. And what is the problem? Invalid pre-processing data hash. Okay, fine. In order to write the comments, we need to use this. Okay. This is related to the count of digits. Let me remove this here and paste it here. Here, right? Okay. This is related to the count of digits. And the next thing is what? Let me copy and paste it here, these comments. And the comment is all about what? Sum of, right? Finding the sum. Finding the sum, right? Now let me save this code and execute. Compile and run. Now as you can observe here, let me give the input number as 153. Now observe the given number is Armstrong number. Now just a minute. We got the number as 0. Why we got that number? Here int n and okay, just a minute. Control X. Here we need to write because after reading the value of n, we need to do, right? So you need to place here. Now let me remove this. Let me save the code and execute. Compile and run. Now observe this time. 153 is the input, right? The given number 153 is Armstrong because 3 raised to the power of 3, 5 raised to the power of 3, 1 raised to the power of 3, and that sum will be equal to the 153 again. Now let me execute one more time and let me give the number as some 121. So the given number is not an Armstrong. Okay, fine. In this way, you need to trace for the given problem and keep on practicing these problems. Thanks for watching and please do like and subscribe.